Alright kids, we back at it. 2013 Dodge Journey with a 3.5 liter. You just lift this cover up. It's held on by these little tabs. When you're doing a spark plug, these are 10 millimeters. You're gonna need a wrench and turn them counterclockwise. That one and that one. That one, self-explanatory. That's your front. These are all 10 millimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, got your 8 millimeter there. Take this off. These two little clips there. Unplug this. There's your plug. There's your clips. Right. Unplug that. Unplug your throttle body. Mass map airflow sensor. EGR valve. Those two 8 millimeters. Take that off. Take this off. Take this off. Now it should. And there's another plug in the back. This little. Right here, this one. Let's get that out the freaking way. Alright, maybe I don't need to take it off. Let's take those 8 millimeters off. I knew it was going to be a bracket. I knew it. 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. No, that's a 13. That's a 10. That's a 13. Take that shit off. I knew it was going to be a bracket. I knew it. 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. No, that's a 13. That's a 10. That's a 13. Take that shit off. Damn. So, yeah, I took it off and I forgot to record while I had it off. But you take this bracket out, right? Take that out. These two hoses. I left that hose on in the back. And then I took these off, unplugged these two, and then just lifted it up and like moved it over. Now, it took a lot of force to move it over. Probably because this was still like in a little bit. So I bent it that way a little bit and then just bent it back when I was putting it in. Otherwise, you got to probably remove the whole hose, or just like you can pick it up and move it this way, whatever. But yeah, so those are all the old coils, spark plugs, whatever. But that's basically how you do it. I just didn't record it while I had it off, but you know how to do it now. All right, peace.